One of my previous videos I asked how to export FBX multiple animation sequences. And I found this useful function from Max. It can be accessed here. And here. But, first, let's check the animation. As usual, we should fix a few things. To zero out the model and tweak the position somewhere. The tail shouldn't stay below 0. The animation list also needs to be updated. I know, but something is always forgotten, always. The running sequence is not good. Looks like that our tailsy is having problems with even frames. I'll set the frames to odd 3 or 5. And finally, export. FBX Game Exporter. This sequence is not needed. Name and duration of the clip. And click on the small film strip icon will limit the display of the sequence to that number of frames. I will pause the video here until I fill the entire list with animations. Do not check here. And put the Save Clips as single file option. There is no need for each clip to have its own file, but you should know that you have that option. Leave the settings options to default. Hit export and that's it. Now the same thing, only GLTF through Babylon. I forgot, bones shouldn't be visible. Now it's okay, all the animations are there. Now let's test it all in Godot. Drag and drop. First, what confused me in Godot? First select the folder, and then drag and drop file, because Godot puts them all together in one place. If you try to drag and drop to a specific folder, it will put the file in the last used folder. Open FBX and GLTF formats by right-clicking, New Inherited Scene, and do the following. Click on the small icon of the film flap, and then on Open Anyway, not on New Inherited. Animation, it works, even options for loop and ping pong. If we now try to save this scene, wasn't work that way, not save scene. but save scene as. I will delete all unnecessary nodes. This is actually why I do this. I don't like to have many nodes inside nodes, unless it is necessary, and it is much cleaner and organized. The only difference between FBX and GLTF is that FBX has a root node. In both cases, everything works and the bones are there.
You can.
It works. In the next video, I will go over to Godot. Until next time, stay tuned and bye-bye.